Hello everyone, I'm Lash and welcome to my channel Tech Lash. Today I'm gonna tell you how to make your YouTube thumbnail through Thumbnail Maker. Let's go. So right now I just opened my Thumbnail Maker application. You can see that. Hi, would you like to load the last thumbnail or no? Yes, create new. Just create new and then click on the camera option. Then click the crop and add picture. Then select the gallery, and after the gallery you have to choose any download pictures. If you choose any download picture, if you want to update on your thumbnail, like I want to show you like darkness rises something. Let's open this picture like a Fortnite picture, Fortnite and Minecraft. Just click on the crop. When you click on the crop, just adjust this picture on display. Just look at this. Right now I just adjust the picture on the display. So after this, if you want to add any picture, like if you want to crop something, you have to just click advanced crop plus eraser. Just click here, then click to gallery, go to downloads. Like if you want to add any picture, like if you want to add ninja, so just you have to crop the picture of ninja. If you just crop here, now you can, there's a size button, offset. You have to just click of the size button little bit bigger, then click here. Now you can see the cursor is moving, so you can easily crop any picture. Yeah, I'm cropping. If you want to crop the headphone of ninja, you can easily do it. Now you have to erase this thing for the crop and blur the background. Now you have to just watch the red mark. Yeah, red mark is the main thing to crop any picture. Now you can, if you're tired, you can easily do this. Yeah, remember this thing, the mark is always moving. You have to, if you want to, you do this, like mark is bigger right now, so you can easily remove it. The last step you want to follow is that's a chair of ninja, so that's why I crop it. So if you want to clear this step, that's like okay, the done cropping, just click on right, done. What? Okay, so now you can fix ninja's picture anywhere, like here. If you want to fix ninja picture here, done. If you want to add something like text, you can easily add a text here, like anything. If you want to add, like this is Fortnite, you can type Fortnite live. Just when you type it Fortnite live, now you have to set the ad anywhere, like this ad is right here, Fortnite live. You can easily change the font if you want. Just click over there, like this one. So many fonts are available. I want to choose this one. Okay, then you can click a right click. You can change the color. So many color options. Actually yellow is the more brightest color, so you can use the yellow. Open 3D, then click right. You can also use the upward, like horizontal and vertical view for like this. This should be looking cool because there's a ninja, so Fortnite live is looking cool for here. If you just fix here, then click right. Text, you can expand your text. Now you have to little bit brighty look. You can change if you want a yellow one. I think this should be cool. Then you have to click just download the JPG. If you click download the JPG, your editing is finished and you can edit this. I hope you like the video, and if you really think this video is good, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Lash. And if you want to play some games, come to my other channel Zindalash. Okay, thank you so much for joining.